If your OneNote notebook started showing sync errors after a name change, don't worry, this is usually fixable. In this video, I'll show you how to fix OneNote sync error after a name change step by step so you can get your notebook syncing again without losing your work. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your desktop OneNote app and look at the left sidebar where all of your notebooks are listed. Find the notebook that is failing to sync. If one notebook is broken, that's the one we want to reset first. Right-click the notebook and choose Close this notebook. This is important because it removes the broken shortcut pointer that OneNote is trying to use. Sometimes after a name change, OneNote keeps looking for the old notebook path or old identity reference, and that's what causes the sync issue in the first place. Once you close it, don't worry, your notebook is not deleted. You're just disconnecting the bad link so OneNote can rebuild it correctly. Next, switch over to your web browser and open OneNote for the web. This version usually still has the correct notebook information stored online, which makes it the easiest place to reopen the notebook properly. At the top center of the browser toolbar ribbon, click the Open in Desktop App button. This tells OneNote to launch the notebook again using the desktop application. Your browser may ask for permission to open OneNote. If you see a prompt, click Allow or Open so the app can continue. Once OneNote launches again, it should download a fresh, correctly indexed directory layout that matches the new name. This step helps OneNote rebuild the notebook connection using the updated structure instead of the old, broken one. After that, if you're still having trouble syncing, there's one more important fix to try. Click the Start menu on Windows and type Credential Manager. Open it, then select Windows Credentials. Now scroll down to the Generic Credentials section. Look for any entries that contain Microsoft Office 16 or MicrosoftIdentity. These can store outdated login information, and after a name change, that old credential data can stop OneNote from authenticating properly. Remove any matching entries carefully. This does not delete your notebooks. It only clears the saved sign-in data that may be causing the sync problem. After deleting those old credentials, restart OneNote completely. If needed, close it fully and open it again so it can refresh the account connection. Then log in with your updated user identity. Once you sign in again, OneNote should reconnect using the correct account details and begin syncing normally. In many cases, this resolves the issue right away because the notebook link and the account credentials are both refreshed at the same time. If your notebook still takes a moment to sync, give it a little time and check the sync status again. If this video helped you fix your OneNote sync error after a name change, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.